Hi everyone, this is Alex and welcome to our new RV. So I'll tell you step by step how we transition to RV living. If you enjoy traveling, cultural arts, and now RVing, please subscribe to my channel. There's Jan driving, going to see the RV in Carbondale. That's the living room with a TV, and this is the
I'm
kitchen.
probably about a month out from being able to actually do something. I don't yet have the truck to pull it, because I have to work on that still, which I have one in mind and all the rest.
Sure.
Probably going to retire in like 2 years, a little bit early.
Oh yeah.
So that's one of the reasons we're doing this.
Yeah.
So this was the model that I was most
Yeah. The front living room and the rear master suite.
Oh, this is the new truck.
Very
So,
big.
How you like it, John?
It's huge.
You're-
It's cool.
You're ready to travel?
It'll pull our trailer.
You ready to travel somewhere?
Yeah. Well, Colorado first.
Colorado
Gotta
and
get the
Alaska and the rest of the United States.
Continental States, yeah.
Oh my. It looks nice. Look at that. It's huge. We are on the road again. And we're still in Salinas going to Carbondale. And John is driving. Yeah.
choosing the right truck depends greatly on how heavy the trailer is and the type of trailer. Since my trailer is 41 feet long and weighs 16,000 pounds, I wanted something that would be strong and stable in the hind end to be able to support the weight and also be able to climb the Rocky Mountains, since we're on the west side of the Rocky Mountains. So I chose a Dodge 3500 diesel engine because it has lots of torque and can pull a heavy trailer. Even uphill, it still accelerates. So it has a lot of power. It's a V6 turbo 2019 Ram 3500 dually. The dually enables the truck to be very stable right where the trailer attaches. I also chose the full bed because I didn't want to have to deal with a sliding hitch. And when we drive, the trailer is actually very stable. It doesn't rock back and forth at all.
I'm making arrangement for my pets because traveling around from state to state and to other countries will be difficult, so I have to give them away. This is my last picture of Rusty. My Pomeranian dog is going to my nephew, the former owner of the dog. And for my cat, I still have to plan. So the cat will be with us until we go to another country. I need to donate or give away my extra clothes and appliances because trailer has limited space. I'm fixing the old roof of my house to rent it out to tenants, and John sold his house so we can travel with the RV.
We chose a fifth wheel trailer instead of a Class A because I wanted to be able to disconnect the truck and do local touring and grocery shopping without having to drag the entire RV with me to the store. The challenge is you're now pulling a 41-foot trailer on the back of a 20-foot truck. The combined length is it's 38 plus 12, I think, roughly. So it's about 50 feet or 53 feet, something around that area. So every turn, every backing requires patience, and actually what's helpful, especially when you're backing up, is to get out, look at your angles, get back in, move 3 feet, get back out, look again, because it's really easy to get yourself beached against a tree or get yourself at an angle that you can't get back out of. One of the keys is you need a good guide to be able that kind of can understand angles and help you manipulate the thing, because backing up is challenging. You cannot see sometimes because the trailer's at this angle and the truck might be at this angle because you're trying to get it into a spot. You can't see this side of the trailer and you don't know what it's going to hit or what it might get too close to, and it might take you 25 maneuvers to finally get the thing to the right angle. It's challenging, and you're going to have to learn to be very patient, which sometimes is very hard because it's not an easy task.
There's our RV. I met John 5 years ago. On that time, my father died and I invited him to go with me to the Philippines. We visited Banawi Rice Terraces, Palawan, and so on. I also invited him to go to Burning Man with me, and we did. Since then, we started going somewhere, like in Australia, New Zealand, and Peru, and many more places.
So I bought this for Valentine's Day because this is our new adventure. We bought this RV and we're going to put the states as we make our way through them. And the rules are that if we sleep there, then we're going to put it on the map. So we have California, Nevada, Utah, and Colorado are all places we stayed. And then one day we're going to go this way.
Up to Alaska. Coming colorful already. And then we're gonna go all the way here, John, including this Canadian cold area.
The next trip's going to be to Texas. We're going to go through Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas.
In Texas.
And we'll spend 2 weeks in Texas.
And here is the coast for the amazing adventure for the future.
It's pretty good. We're just getting started here at Journey Inside and Out, and we're on our RV adventure. And we invite you to join us. So please subscribe so you can see where we go and what we experience. We'll wait till it's done up there.
Okay.